What are you doing?
Just trying to find you.
Did anyone see you leave?
No. No one. I was careful. What's wrong? Was it the full moon tomorrow night?
No. No, it's not that. Just wanted to ask you some things. About your family. Actually, your grandfather.
Okay, but I don't really know him. I mean, he's kind of just a guy who sends a check in the mail every year for my birthday.
Does he know about me? About us?
No, my dad hasn't said a thing. What is it? Did something else happen?
We just need to be a lot more careful now.
They're not gonna split us apart.
Not us.
Oh, my love. What are we
You sure no one followed you?
Totally, absolutely, 100,000,000% sure. My parents are out anyways.
Out?
Yeah.